Okay, we just hit 40 feet. As you can tell by my face and my person, it's a very clean job. So, I'll show you what's going on now. This is the mess. A drilling mud pit and the standing in mud pit. And yeah, so pretty messy. But we're 40 feet, and for a little visual, I set up 40 feet of pipe, so. And that's 40 feet. That's how far we are in the ground right now. Quite a long ways. We're in some gravel and sand right now. A little bit of clay mixed in. If I was 60, 70 feet right now, I might be tempted to try to pump it, see if I get anything out of it, but 30, 35, 40 feet is just not going to be deep enough to maintain, I don't think, adequate supply, so I'm going to keep going. I want to put, if I hit anything between 80 and 100, I'll be happy. Hopefully we hit some nice sand, gravel mixed down there somewhere, and give it a try. See you at 50. Well, in the way that I can tell what we're drilling in, mostly by feel, but I have the bucket set up right there, so everything that comes out of the pipe goes into the bucket, and then the water and drilling fluid leaves the bucket, and everything that's heavier stays in the bucket. About every 5 feet or so, I'll pull the bucket, pour the water that's in there out real slow, and see what's in there. Usually it's like a real mushy clay, or sometimes the big chunks of clay, and I mean, you can really feel the difference when you're drilling, if you ever try this. Surprisingly, the sand, even just the solid sand that we've gone through, down that deep is pretty solid. You'll feel it. Feel like you're drilling into a sidewalk, and it's probably not what the water-bearing sand is going to feel like. I'm hoping that once we hit it, we'll know. And well, let's keep drilling. I'm down in the dungeon, and so I was drilling last night, and I just got past 40 feet, which is super awesome. But I hit a rock, pretty good sized rock. I mean, if you remember how that drill bit's set up, it's on a 2-inch nipple, and it has about a 4 and, I think I said 4.5 or 4 1/4 last time. It's more like 4 3/4. When I'm twisting the drill bit, you can feel when you hit like rocks and other stuff, it just kind of reverbs up the pipe. And I hit a pretty good sized rock. It's probably about 2 to 3 inches across, so it's pretty big. Like the 1-inch rocks, when you hit them, if you keep working it and keep working it, it'll eventually like push it to the side of the well, and it'll just kind of move out of your way. But this one's pretty big, so I'm still hoping I can get past it. I worked on it for about 30 minutes trying to get past that rock, and I haven't been able to yet, but I'm still hoping. So we'll try that later. And just wanted to give you a taste of turning the water on, of what the well pump looks like and sounds like.
Yeah, there it is. Isn't that? So normally well pump wouldn't pump very long just to get up to a few pounds. But this one takes forever. disgusting. Anyway.
Yeah, it'll be in a future video. Just wanted to give you a little taste.